Everyone dreams of making money on YouTube. But what are the real secrets behind successful creators who earn thousands or even millions from their channels? Let's uncover the top secrets of earning money from YouTube, step by step. Secret number 1, monetization starts with consistency. You need at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time in the past year to join the YouTube Partner Program. Once you qualify, YouTube starts showing ads on your videos, and you earn a share of that revenue. But here's the twist. It's not just about views. It's about watch time and audience engagement. Secret number 2, find your niche. Channels that focus on a specific topic, like tech reviews, personal finance, or lifestyle vlogs, grow faster and attract loyal audiences. Advertisers pay more for certain topics. For example, a video about investing can earn 10 times more in revenue than a funny meme clip. Secret number 3, don't rely only on ads. Successful YouTubers earn money through multiple income streams. You can partner with brands for sponsorships, add affiliate links to products you recommend, sell your own merchandise or courses, or even earn through channel memberships and super chats. The more streams you create, the more stable your income becomes. Secret number 4, plan your content. Viral videos are great, but consistency builds trust. Create a content schedule, research trending keywords, and design eye-catching thumbnails. Your first 10 seconds matter most. Hook your viewers right away. Secret number 5, use analytics to grow. YouTube gives you free data about your audience, who's watching, for how long, and from where. Study what works and double down on it. Remember, data is the real gold mine. So, the secrets to earning money on YouTube aren't really secrets at all. They're smart strategies that anyone can learn. Pick a niche, stay consistent, diversify your income, and keep improving. Start small, keep uploading, and one day, you might turn your passion into a full-time income. If you found these tips helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more creator insights, and let's grow together on YouTube.